Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special, and right now it's early in the morning. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video. And in case you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and also don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support my channel. So anyway, today the sun is not out, as you can see. It seems like it's gloomy day, and also we need to check the time. It's around 8:39 a.m. on Tuesday, February date 24 20 day of 2026. I mean, so man, I wonder, the month's already ended, so it's on Tuesday, date 24 on February 2026, and maybe it depends the year that we're going to watch these videos, time, months, because I don't understand. Sometime maybe other country or maybe other states are back years than Africa. So anyway, I'm going to other side because I want to do the small job that we left on the front porch, because I don't want to force Muita to work at my mom's dream house. I can do by myself, but sometime when maybe I have some little cash, I need, like, hey, you are my family member, you can work and have some cash. But forget about that. So guys, east to west, home is the best. This is where I grew up, and actually this is my dad's parent home, of which for now it's my grandma home. Forget about another side. Right there, that's my great grandma home. This is my grandma home, and I'm so blessed. Since day one, I have both of my grandma and my great grandma. But initially last year, my grandma passed away, and I want to say may soul rest in peace wherever my great granny you are. My God, protect you. So I'm heading on other side. Actually, I'm trying to walk here. I see my dog, it's running everywhere. You heard? It's over there. My dog are very happy. And also guys, today I'm so excited. Maybe on this video you'll see my brother today, because I'm still waiting the call from school when my brother will be arrived here. So guys, I must walk here carefully, because I want to show you where we're supposed to work. And also, in case you're new here, please join. And forget about today, there's no sun. Maybe for meanwhile the sun will be out, but for now it's a kind of dark. You can see from this side. I don't know, maybe it's because of the shade of this small forest that you see here, or maybe these trees that you see around our compound. Let me see from this side. I think it's the same climate. But if you didn't see my image clear, you can flow with vibe, and maybe you heard my voice from a distance. Anyway, before we go where we're supposed to work, this is the house which I was dreaming closer to 2 years, and for me, I have no pressure about to build my mama house. But I was thinking psychologically, like one day I should build my mama dream house. And this house, it will take around 120 iron sheets. Try to imagine on that. 120 iron sheets. And have been doing several videos with other part of my friends, and I asked the price. So the iron sheets range from I think in Nairobi it's 1,800 there. When it reach in Kisii, it's 2,630. When it reach in sorry guys, I have some small hiccup. When it reach in Migori and Bora town, it goes to 3,800 there, or 3,500. So maybe one day if I could get the money, I could go maybe in Kisii and I buy the iron sheet, or maybe in Nairobi, because if you go to buy the iron sheet in Nairobi, they should have free delivery. If you buy in Kisii, free delivery. If you buy in Migori, free delivery. So it depends. And for me, I think maybe when the time reach, I'll go with my engineer, and because he was the professional, or maybe I'll go with the roofer of this house, because he was the one who know the fake iron sheet and original. Because if I can go by myself, they will blackmail me like, hey, take this. But I think the good iron sheets you touch, when it's rough, that's original. When it's smooth, that is fake. You know the smooth one, it's maybe you take iron sheet like this, you spray the paint. But the original, it's, you know, when you touch it, it's somehowly rough. Anyway, I'm walking here, Mom. Tantora daddy hai. Tantora daddy hai chiko. Mogondo. Okay. I need to go down and bring the hammer. So guys, I want to work today because me, I'm not a lazy person. Look where I'm walking, guys. Try to imagine here. Whoa. And this is where I'm going to remove the timbers. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
That's my mama. She was milking. So anyway, guys, this is where I'm standing with you, and I want to remove these timbers here completely, because I don't want to see any timbers on top here, because I'm really thinking like I'm under construction of the rental. But when I'm removing the timbers, I will be free. So I'm standing at this corner here, and that's the next corner, like it's a diagonal. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
That's my mama for you. She was milking here the cow. You can see baby calf is sucking, and the milk is here. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a pure milk. You know, wow. And I think I'll show you how my mama, she was milking the cow here in a local way. You know, other countries they use machine to milk cow, you know. Okay. Joe? Joe. Sisi imeenda nje. Chukua mpira wako. Chukua mpira tuoshe. Leta mpira uoshe. Am you happy? Wagwan.
Wawan.
Mama, say wagwan.
Wawan.
Wagwan.
Wawan.
Say me there.
Me there.
I had the call. I don't know. Who is this? Hello? Hey.
Vipi tunaenda?
Macha mama malize kazi.
Bado hajamaliza?
Anaoga, alikuwa amekamua ng'ombe. Sasa hizi acha ng'ombe bila kukamua, anaoga.
Niite kupakanya wenyewe.
Nguchoro ne gari.
Asi pikipiki hata bali na nguncheko na chukua pikipiki tu tunaenda naye.
Haya. Mama, do you have any plan? Because guys, there's one of my family member here by the name Master 254. Her wife, like mother-in-law, I mean this, her wife, so I mean her mother to her wife, he passed away. So that's the call that I had from Muita, like, hey, we can go to the funeral. And I think my mama, she has already prepared herself. Maybe I will escort my mom. And when I reach there, I left with my mom some like 150 transport for coming back. Because me, going to other side of, like going to my neighborhood, that's Tanzania, it's very difficult, you know. Onyesha watu vile unakamua. So guys, before you milk, you're supposed to leave your, like to get the baby calf and suck to allow milk to come in. Good morning. And guys, my dog's not around, it's go outside. Oh my god. And then you wash your hand, and then chuguru, and then you wash the hand for the next chance. And then you you see guys how the process, you wash the boobs, do some boobs. One day mama taught me how to milk, and I think the year of 2024, I do the video of milking the cow. There's some clip that I did. And then we start. This is what we call village life. But at other country, we could use machine within few seconds or maybe minutes. You have already finished milking the cow. Kuisongererore. That's the milk thing. Mama.
Hey.
Asha mpira. And I'm telling you, the moment you see me like drinking milk tea for my breakfast, this is where the milk came from. And hey, Osha, in our village, we didn't buy milk. No. God. Oh no, already come, and then I tied them here. I give my dog a chance like 1 hour to walk around, and then we tied them here because we are leaving home and no one will take care of my dog. Probably the reason why I tied my dog here, when I left my dog going around, some villagers will poison my dog. At the same time, I think when I split that timber, that trees, I'll get the offcuts, and then I build the kennel of my dog here, because when it's raining, it's you know, when it's raining, it will affect my dog. You can see even the condition here, but this is where my dog sleep, here or there, you know. So look, because we demolish everything here, because of you know, the porch. You good? Good morning. Anyway guys, I don't want to forget, I'm supposed to do this work right now before we leave home. Guys, this is some crowbar here, and it's very heavy for me when I'm going with it on the other side, but the later one my engineer go with it. So this is our crowbar here, so I'm trying to climb with it here and go and remove those timber right now. Oh my god, working as a solo man. Okay, I should be very careful, you know what I mean. I'm sweating. Ona, mtoe hapa, nataka niangushe mbao. Judo, vipi hali Judo? Eh. She didn't. My kid only got sitting now. I was talking to that guy right there. Okay. Uko biashara? That man said when I'm saying hello to him, I should give him some money because I'm recording him. I don't need that shit. Because people take advantage in my village here, and then me, I'm not, you know, the same group, the same type of people. I don't mind shit, man. Better you leave. I'm working with this, and it's very heavy. I'm just like a ninja or soldier. Whew. You will see. I don't know where I'm going to put my camera, but you see what I'm trying to do for you guys. Okay. So guys, I want to place my camera somewhere, maybe here, and then start working. So guys, I'm setting my camera, and then it's time to work. Kama tutaka hapo hafaza. One day tutakufa tu. One day tutakufa tu. Asu katrai kubomoa. Umemwita sana na robo herema. Emanipa. Muru si mojo kolo.
Ayo gore kan.
Oh, where I would. Whoa! Mr. Lover. Mr. Bombastic. Whew. Kasi na yung kagandahan. Yeah. Yung kagandahan. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, muito. Nanto merengas. Guys, I think I should use the ladder, you know, because I've already removed some the hard stuff here, and then to other side I should use the ladder. Alright guys, so keep watching this video. You will see at the end of this place here. That's my mama. Put for me the ladder. I'm a torebuya. So I get uchego. So I get uchego. Wait. Buyer.
That's okay.
Guys, I want to go down. Wait. Hey. Wow. Better use the ladder. Better use the ladder. Ekeresa. I'm taking you. Okay, Mama, thank you. You go. Here we use the ladder. Man, I'm telling you, when you be on top and then you sit down. Hi, Keresa. Keresa. Guys, I want to remove the jacket. This is a serious work. Oh my God. So this is my handle right here. I'm telling you, here no joke. No jokes. No jokes, man. Right. Guys, because I didn't have the cameraman, but I will show you at the end of the products of this work. You know. Guys, this is a local bridge. Where's some going on? Hey, look at that, man. Uniamba kabanta buki. Unin ko tambukiri one. Guys, look. Oh my God. We are going to other side and this is a river here. Man. Oi, unitia sama gaje ko itu diteng ka heta ini bigi. Tan. Mani. Ngusukume. Baba tifo tatika tu heti ngora. Tatika baba tifo. Tatika tu je ko heti. Tatika. Baba tifo tatika ni bigi. Ngora iko.
Ani mke bona content bonuni.
Ngora iko.
Uni mu engineer.
Ngora iko baba tifo.
Yana rai mra.
Guys, ngora iko baba tifo. Guys, we are struggling, man. Ngora iko. Finally, my baby's out. Big up. I'm telling you, there's running water here, man. This video remind me, man. Over here, and we're heading somewhere else. Even I didn't come with my camera. Look, that's a bridge. Crossing River Jordan. Crossing River Jordan. It's very tricky here. Man. Baba Tifa. kurudi tupitire barabara ntarenge runihan. Tafadhali. Embalera. Even guys, look some bees. Look some bees, guys. Beehives. Look at that, man. Woo! Water is running. I wish this place could be around my home here. I'll take more content for you. That's my uncle on the other side. Whoa! We are really struggling. Guys, we are in a neighborhood in Tanzania. We are heading to a place known as Nyamwaga, and then from there you see Nyamongo, where they're mining, you know, like mining gold and you know, other process of quarry. And man, even I forget to carry my camera, but I'm trying to shoot with my phone. You know, I'm trying to imagine how this tricky place it is, man. Look, we are in Tanzania, our neighborhood. I see my uncle struggling. See guys, that's my uncle right there, and also me, I have my bike here. Let's go. Guys, I think you enjoy my videos, and I'm still keep pushing these videos from now up to where we are going to. And actually we are heading to the funeral. One of my family member married from Tanzania. That's our neighborhood country. And then from here you should see this clip. Comment on the comment section below and let me know on the comment section what do you think about, man. I'm so glad to be in Tanzania. Twende kazi. Guys, welcome to Nyamwaga in Tanzania. Whoa, look at that. When you use this route, you're going to Nyamongo and also Mugomo, Serengeti. This route here. Okay, tuambeni Nyabongo tume, mimi ndani labda utakuja.
Mbona tumesa ngapi? Mbona numwe ntika yana?
Sai mwambie naeka pesa tu sai. Ni shingapi?
Ukuta namba kayo. 500.
Okay, nakuwekea 800.
Sawa.
Say hello.
No.
Guys, that's my brother and I'm still. Nsangapi rahiki?
Ukone bungu mani guys.
Okay, acha nikimbie basi nikuwekee kwa mpesa sai.
Kwa 10 minutes nkuyari.
Haya mwalimu. Haya. Hello. Hello. Madam. Shikamo.
Marhaba.
Ngoja basi nikimbie dakika 10 nimwekee kwa mpesa na kuwekea.
Mimi jamani, unaniweka hapa, unajua tangu jana uliniambia aje tunatuma hiyo pesa.
Sasa unajua Samia aliniambia siku nilikuja hapa eti wako 50-50, maybe anaweza kuja ama sikuje. Ngoja nikimbie nimwekee.
Jana ukaniuliza watoto wanaenda lini, nikakuambia kesho, alafu ukaniambia eti unatuma pesa au kutuma.
Wallahi sisi nilikuwa nataka nini ujumbe kutoka kwenu nijue kamera. Juu maybe football unaweza kataa kuja. Ngoja basi nikimbie niweke.
Nikungoje for how long?
Nipe 10 minutes juu ni pikipiki tu.
10 minutes? Sawa, ukumbuka unajua nilimsoti na 200.
Okay. So ni shingapi tamfikisha kutoka hapa hadi Kisii Town and then kutoka hapa hadi
na yeye.
Ila. Tukuma kuna namba kara 150. Mkanda ingine tani la 650. Plus 200 yae.
Sikutoka Kisii kwenda kuja hapa nyumbani ni 350.
Si ndio?
Haya kutoka kule mpaka Kisii Town si 150.
Si ndio?
Imekuwa 500.
Si ndio?
Alafu plus 200 yake 700. Na kuwekea 800. Haya. Sawa.
Hapo tunachokurusha.
Sasa 800 mura kwani kutoa ni shingapi? Alright guys, that's my brother and I just wake up. I receive a call from my brother. So I'm going to send the money. Actually transport. So today you will see my brother at home. And I told you when I'm around at home, I'm the big brother, so I need to take care of them, you know. Why don't you call my mama like, hey mom, today I'm coming home, dada ABCD, send me money. They should call me. But anyway, I thank God for this opportunity. I'm so grateful that the birds from other side. So guys, we shall continue these videos when my brother arrived here. Let me go and send the money in M-Pesa. When I'm saying M-Pesa, It's one of the small shops that we use to transact money and also to send money. Withdraw, send money, transact money. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I'm around at home and I'm so excited to meet my brother. And anyway, so anyway, so let's see my brother reaction on these videos, you know. So wow, at least since morning no sun, and right now the sun reached here, you know. This is my son for the construction. Guys, I hope you're ready. You're ready to see my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How was your school?
Everything was fine. Just a little bit of hard life because of first time
Come. A little bit
of hard life.
hard
because-
life.
Yeah, because of the first time going for boarding school. Yeah.
I know maybe you miss the special food. You miss maybe touching your phone.
Yeah.
And actually, that's my mama's phone, not your phone. Maybe when you finish your school, I'll buy you a new phone.
Yeah.
Yes, and then you return my mom's phone. So anyway, guys, this is my brother. I think it's our, I don't think it's our third blood. Oh my God, I'm so speechless. It's our third born brother. I'm the first born, and also the second born. He was in university. Third born in secondary school, Sameta High School, and also our last born. She's a sister by the name Martha, and I think she was so familiar to the internet. Each and every time I escort her to school, when I'm around at home here with her, I normally film her, say hello, you know. So you said life in school?
So hard.
So hard.
Yeah.
You mean education is so hard, or maybe environment?
Environment.
Environment.
Yeah, climate.
How about studies?
Studies, everything is okay. No change. It's just the expansion of content.
Expansion of?
Content of the
Content.
books. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I know. So did you do any exam?
No, because of settlement,
Uh-huh.
we didn't manage to do exam. Maybe at the end of the term, we may do it.
Wow. Before we go ahead, guys, I want to ask my brother, because I'm just go ahead a little bit. How was your journey from school up to here?
The journey, it was okay, but I was a less of money, but I did my best to reach here.
So you mean right now the transport is go higher?
Yeah, now the transport is high because of the movement of students home, school, back to home. Now the matatu is so high.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you mean if I could give you, let me say roughly 1,000, you can come here and then remain with change. Maybe going back, the remaining change you use as pocket money. But coming back, I should give you 700.
Yeah.
From your school up to Kisii, it's around 150.
Yeah.
And then from there, from Kisii town up to Nyabohan, or reach in Migori.
Up to Sirare line. The matatu that came from Migori, no,
From
Kisii
Kisii?
to Sirare line, it costs 450 shillings. Yeah.
Wow. Maybe it's because of that. I think I give my brother less money because I was not having enough money. From your school up to Kisii town, that's 150. You remain with around 350, right?
Yeah.
So less than 100.
Yeah.
Who give you 100?
I have one best of my friend who gave me 100, and I promised him to pay him back after 1 week.
A student?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So maybe I will double that money. And I know, when you are going back, when you're going to Kisii, I know how to deal with those matatus guy. It's only 350, whether they like it or not. But coming back, because they knew you are a student, they overcharge you. So how, man, I see when you try to reduce weight.
You know.
And why don't you tag your shirt?
You know.
First
Now-
of all, why don't you tag your shirt?
Now, you know, there
Mm-hmm.
things are very difficult.
Mm-hmm.
No time.
Okay, maybe you can go and sit as we talk because I remember. I remember I bought you this new trouser. I tag you here. So I think we should wash the clothes, all of them. You came with all school uniform.
Yeah.
You wash them. I think from Thursday to Friday you wash them. We go to Migori. I need all your trousers to be tagged. Shirt, sweater, and also you have another, you know, even a pair of socks. You need to be tagged here. Like, you know, this one is very hard. You find maybe somebody cutting here, you find him easily.
Even I was requesting to buy another uniform because, you know,
Mm-hmm.
when you go with like 3 uniform there,
Mm-hmm.
you may finish a week without washing.
Mm-hmm.
It may minimize
Mm-hmm.
the cost of being stolen uniform.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
that is what it is.
No, maybe for now, you know, like I'm trying to run it. You said you need to add another 1 pair
Yeah,
or 2 pair.
I need to add only 1 pair
Mm-hmm.
because of money. I know the situation
Mm-hmm.
that my background had.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So guys, the trouser goes to 1,000. I think this one is 700.
Yeah.
Even
This one doesn't have a
Why?
pocket. It is a permanent stitch.
Yes.
This one.
okay.
It can't fade.
Okay. I think from here to there, it's around 700 plus 1,000. That's 1,700. Close to $15. I can maybe manage to buy my brother another school uniform before he go back to school, you know. And even me, guys, I try my best. The money that I was saving to buy the machine cuts, I took for my brother for the shopping. Trouser, I think I bought you 2 pair
Yeah.
before the one trouser been stolen.
Yeah.
The teacher give you 2 pairs.
Yeah.
Right. So, 2 sweater.
Yeah.
So you have it right now.
I have 2 sweater
Mm-hmm.
and a wood.
I would.
Yeah.
So I need. I'm trying to think if God will open the door when you get that $15. I can go with you in Migori, as maybe do the tagging of other clothes, and then we'll see. I will buy you maybe one pair, because I need you to be comfortable. I don't want you like crying like no trouser, no. And don't overthink about maybe how our background is. You know, if you see maybe other students maybe taking mandazi in school, like, you know, how they're behaving, don't mind. You just mind about education. It's only education taking there. And there is a day you make a call, you are sick, and and your coaches treat you very bad.
Yeah, I was sick.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, in Kisi is an island.
Mm-hmm.
There, for now, like this month of February,
Mm-hmm.
it's raining 24 hours. From morning to evening, it's raining.
From morning.
To evening, it's raining.
Oh.
It is unstoppable,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Mm-hmm.
Now there, you need to go to the field because
So let's walk this way. Mm-hmm.
I went there because of the scholarship.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to go to the field when it's raining,
Mm-hmm.
and I came back to school. It's like I'm running 3 kilometers
Mm-hmm.
using, because we are not using the field of the school.
Let me stand here because of the sun.
We are not using the field of the school because the chief principal said that
Mm-hmm.
we need to walk just a little bit up to the field
Mm-hmm.
to make an exercise before taking an activity of skills.
Mm-hmm.
We like really doing it, but it is learning.
Mm-hmm.
You may train it. You may train with laying like 3 hours, and when you enter into the field, you may think that you run from the school up to the field. You think that is over, but when you reach at the field, you have been to run 30 laps, being forced when it's raining. There's no excuse. Even you are sick, they don't want to know about the health. It's probably that school, it is good in academic, but about killing of somebody is very poor. That's why I'm saying that.
Let's talk this way.
One of the coach of that school, I think it's last year, he died because of the careless of the health of people. The coach said, I'm sick. The principal ignored and told him, not going anywhere. You have been employed. You must work. So the coach forces to work until when the coach fall down immediately. Instead of the principal calling the ambulance, taking the ambulance to take him to the hospital, he denied. He sent some scouts to go to do first aid. Imagine somebody has fallen down and you want scouts to do first aid.
Very terrible. Maybe here.
It didn't work.
Guys, because today there's no sunny, that's the reason why we try to struggle. So, you know me, like when you call me and I talk with one of your class teacher, she's a madam, right?
Yeah.
I told her, tell your coach of that school, don't threaten my brother because he was sick and he forced him to go and play football while he's sick. Actually, malaria attacked you, right?
Yeah.
Sorry for that. And I told your madam, that's your class teacher, like one day I should come there and I take you from school, I put you to another school.
Yeah.
Because you do the same you said a system.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the subject of my brother, it's a system. It contains those sciences, like
Pure sciences.
Yes, pure sciences. That maths, I think biology, physics, chemistry. So I told her, go and talk with the coach. They should not threaten my brother while he was sick. I'm going to play football. Sometimes it's rain and he play football. At the same time, you came and you sleep hungry.
You know, there's some limited of food. I can say, Ugari, it is...
No, like in terms of footballer.
In terms of footballer, footballer are suffering there because you may go to the field. Sometimes...
Let's talk this way.
Sometimes you wanna come back. There is no food because you are late. If you are late, the cooks
will maybe like we didn't have the budget of
no, the cooks will say there is no your mother here. You must come early, you must come on time and serve on time. So if you deny to do that, no food.
Oh,
but when the cooks doing that, the principal didn't know. We decided to report them. The principal did the favor. Some of the days buying sodas and some breads. We taken it, but the cooks feel bad. Now they decided to do it properly, denying us food.
So nowadays you are being given food after football.
You will be given food,
Asongo,
but not every day.
not every day.
Even usually at night, no food.
No food.
No food.
But for example, if maybe you're not a footballer, in the evening you should eat.
Yeah.
There's a
properly.
motorbike coming there. Be careful. Okay, if you're not a footballer,
If you are not a footballer,
you serve equally.
equally. Even morning, you serve at 6. You serve porridge at 4. We serve some water, some a little hot water. But if you're a footballer, you know, you need to minimize.
I'm trying to look for the
you
light.
need to minimize
Maybe
your-
come this side here. So me, I think, should I ask you? Maybe because right now you're going to study 3 years.
Yeah.
Now this year it's ended.
Yeah.
We remain with 2 years. And did you know how much per year
Yeah.
did you pay the money?
Yeah.
How much?
If that school is being paid
Around 40 something
42,000 per year.
per year.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm telling you, that's around $350 per year, because my brother were been suffering in a hard situation, guys. I bought everything that I needed for the football, but for the real sense, when my brother calling me and explaining me the story about what's happened to him, and he was sick, and I feel so bad when my brother threatened in school as a footballer. And I feel so bad. Even I told the class teacher, tell the coach one day I should come and pick my brother from that school. But I came with my brother in home here and I put in a day school.
Yeah.
You know, even in Boda, we have Nyamaharaga, we have Nyankore, Kubweye. I should put you there. In the morning, I take you with my motorbike. Evening time, I left you some few money for the transport. And maybe when it's advisable, guys, and we watch my brother's story, because he was suffering for real. At the same time, instead of maybe taking him from that school and doing an exchanging or transfer, we could maybe sit and discuss, guys. 350 per year, 350 USD every year. So I think so far so good. We left with 2 years. That's around $700. I paid you 2 years.
Yeah.
You know, roughly $1,000. I pay you the whole 3 years.
Yeah.
You know.
Kijana.
We. Songo. No muvere kono kukwenda bungo sana malio. So, guys, I'm trying to think on that, you know. Because I don't want my brother to be struggle here and there, like a totally orphan. They were being threatened. Although we just, you know, like having a single parent, it doesn't mean I threw my brother there. They were being, you know, being threatened like a slave. You know, that's the work of slave. You are sick, you forced to be going in the field, you play, it's raining time, you go and, you know, I feel so bad. Sasa kwamba bwana msani. Niko poa kabisa. Naona kijana ameingia home. So what do you think? Should I, when I get money for real, when I get the money for real, I'll come and talk with your principal. You should be cancelled from the system. If, for example, you find $1,000, I should cancel that business. It's good you study in a good condition, in a good way. You study, if you feel in the games time, you can go and play football if you want. But if you didn't like, you study. Or maybe during games and sport, you join football as you go. You know, what do you think?
It's okay.
Yeah, guys, I'm really praying when God opened the door, only $1,000, I will pay the whole 3 years. Because every year it's $400. No, I mean every year it's around 42,000. And then next year, 42,000. Next year, 42,000. You know, so 42,000 Kenyan shilling, that's around $350 per year. $350 per year, that's around $700. And then the third year, $350. You know, that's the last year. So it comes around 1,000 and I think $1,050. You know, 1,050 USD. My brother should be in school in a good way. All right. So what next? Did you eat anything at home? I know right now your stomach's too much hungry. Now you have 6-pack, my brother. Mbona nangoteseka? Namba tano ba go tora.
Maona harana mkono.
Speak loud. I don't want you like struggling in education. It's your moment to enjoy. You study in a good way. If maybe you keep quiet and you are struggling there, say something.
There's nothing to be hide. Maybe to say there, it is a difficult way to live there.
Imagine, guys, the whole 1 week you only take shower 2 days per week, all right?
Yeah.
And washing clothes, how did you manage?
Washing clothes,
It's very difficult.
maybe you wash on Sunday. Or Saturday.
That's when maybe they release water.
Yeah.
You know, like the school around in our county here, like Kubweye, Isbane, what is every day? You know, every day. Marangotese kore hara my
Kana
friend.
wana bohol.
Wala wako nayo lakini mimi sijui mbona wanafungia maji. Sijui reason.
Guys, sometimes I'm laughing, but when it's come in family matters, I'm trying to take it control in a good way. Hey, imagine, guys, the whole 1 week, you take only 2 days shower. That's maybe when you take shower on Sunday, it means up to next Sunday. Huh?
Yes.
Oh, student didn't smell. Not crazy smell.
It is always.
That life is so bad, guys. All right, let's go home and see what the next. Chat, David.
Kapito to sana.
Kibindi komote mai ku ya board.
Tuna mkia credit ikungu.
No mokoro no mukungu moyo aniruka. Aya. So guys, that's Chacha, one of my family. His home is right there. I think I was visiting him several times. So, you know, in Sibania here, when maybe for example I'll take you, or maybe if you're remaining there, we have 2 options. If I will get that $1,000, I think $1,050, 1,000 USD. Let me say roughly 1,000 USD. I should change your system.
Yeah.
You should maybe get out from your talent.
Yeah.
You study as a student, as a normal student. If maybe sometime when you feel sick, you can tell your class teacher, I'm feeling sick. They didn't take you to the hospital.
You know me what I'm wondering. It is an extra county school, but didn't have even an hospital.
Why?
You know, sometimes I'm wondering. I don't know the reason. It's just I'm wondering to see things like that. They are so crazy. Yeah.
Oh
They're
my
so
God.
crazy to my life because I'm seeing here like you might find a school it is a clustered 4 and it has an hospital and it is an extra county next to be a national school doesn't have a medical center. You know?
Oh, it doesn't mean like they should have their own hospital. At least when maybe one of the students, 1, 2, 3 maybe students feel so sick, they should take the control, taking that student to the hospital. Because it's a national school, right?
Yeah. You know, it's okay to have a control to take somebody, but they must have a specific place.
Yes.
Maybe you can take
To Ogembo.
a student there, maybe to get treated, and then the parent can bring money later. But there, if your parent if your parent delayed to bring money, it means you are suffering up to the month to be sent.
Let me tell you, you see, we have Hispania boys here, it's a boys' school. We have Nyamahara, it's a mixed school. We have Kubweye, it's a mixed school. Let me say, the entire school of Migori County, when one of the students feels so sick, the school take authority to take the student to the hospital. And then there is this card, maybe, I don't know, maybe for the school, you know. I think, you know, you have UPN. There's a number that we have been given in a school, a code number. When you feel sick, you should go with that code number. You take it to the hospital, and then the hospital puts on the system. And then after the system, the government pay you money for the treatment, you know.
Yeah.
So me, like, I really wonder why they should do like that. Why, guys? Why, guys? Maybe one day, I'm really pray for you, because you are studying a difficult way. One day God will one day God will bless you to be the top 10,
Yeah.
top 10 of that school, and then you continue your study to go to university, and you get the job. When you get the job, you remember the life that you study for.
Me, I just believe I'm going to proceed on my academic. If it is on university, I'm going to continue, because by God's grace, if you put God first, nothing can be possible, because I went there to participate, not to perform.
Oh,
Yeah,
you went there?
to participate,
Okay.
not to perform.
Not to perform. What do you mean? You went there to perform in academic.
I went there to participate. Why I'm saying that? I didn't went there to compete with anybody.
Oh, okay.
Because-
You mean that?
Yeah, because we come from different places. You may not know somebody, how he came from his home, maybe using some local things.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, you heard the story from my brother. He went there to participate, not to compete. Not to go? Hey, guys, I should wash my bike. Now I think it's cooling because I went for the long distance. Even up to now, it didn't cool up. So, I know maybe you stand there, you get a thumbnail. Maybe here. This is my brother, guys, for you. Now I think Mama, she was preparing for you the food and you eat.
Okay.
Guys, let's see what my mama she was doing here. Mtoe makamasi. Mama. Hodi. Guys, anyway, welcome to my mom's Mabati house. The moment you see the camera, you need to put chaos. Keep quiet. Shit. Guys, the moment this dog sees the camera, it's when it starts behaving. So what are you cooking? Anyway, there's no light here. I mean, for entire this place. But let's see what my mama she was doing here. At least to have the solar. This one here. Oh my god. Mama, what are you cooking for? Oh my god.
Ugali.
Ugali, where is Ugali? Oh, there is Ugali down here. Oh, Papa, it's very hot. Guys, this Ugali for you. I think right now, hey guys, I think right now my mama she was preparing the sardine and also cooking Ugali because my brother, this is the best moment coming home. There's some sardine here. You see there? Okay then. So I need to go in Nyabohansa and wash my bike because it's getting in a totally mess. So by tomorrow, guys, we shall see other activity because today I just postponed. I'm supposed to do some work here and there. As I promised you yesterday, I supposed to do a small kitchen coop and also the kennel of my dog right there. When it comes during raining time, my dog really suffering, you know. No, relax. So guys, let's see. Let me wash my bike, man. I don't like my bike to be in a totally mess. Let me show you. Even you can't believe it's my bike. You see that? Look. So I wanna take it to the car wash, and then I think I should end my video on the other side, you know. Huh? There's ugali. Come outside. Sister. Uja hapa. Come here. Oh no. Also, this is my cousin here. Say hello.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Yeah, my name is Benson Mikwabe. Now we are here at home. Yeah, guys.
These boys are coming back home. This ugali right here, silent. Eh? Now I know right now in school didn't put the whole ugali. Yeah. Okay, you enjoy. Guys, me, I'm going to wash my bike right now, and I think this is the best moment to go. So guys, now I'm leaving home, so I want to take this baby to the car wash, and probably to see how things go. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, guys. Right, guys, my video continue, and it's all about positivity. So me, what I believe, positive vibe always win. So let's go up to Never Hands, and I hope, you know, there's a crazy thing. When I wash my bike, the rain come, but when I didn't wash, no rain. Look. Pole pole. Hakuna matata. No problem. Hakuna matata. La 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 la. Talan 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 la la. Since morning, guys, no sunny. Even I don't know the quality of my video, how should it be. Oh my God, but I'm flowing with vibe. Construction material right here for the building of the wall like this. Guys, from a distance, we try to build Africa. For real, for real, for real. Church right here. Oh yeah, Joshua. Oh yeah. Also, this is a school right here. But so far so good. I think the students are being given half time. Okay guys, I don't want to drive along. We shall meet in the car wash. Is that so guys? I want to wash my bike. Koshi! I mnyama imekuwa chafu. Guys, look. This is not my bike, man. Woohoo. So anyway, I'm on this car wash here. Yeah. Sawa, hamalizi wash. Ichafukire hata nimeogopa hii ni pikipiki yangu. Guys, I'm in Nyabohansi right now. You know. So I'll show you when the bike it's been washed. Hey, fresh. So guys, I'm still waiting. My bike to be washed over there, and also to end my video here. Today no sunny, guys. Very situation. So I think this guy is ready, and it's time to wash my bike. Eh, kike mono jeshi. Eh? Kiomon. Okay guys. Okay. Como é que vai rapaz? Guys, it's the kind of business that I want to do. Rante veno lipua. Alright guys, you wanna promote our business, and as I told you earlier, this is the kind of business that I want to open up. You see that? This is a Rutco machine. No problem. Anyway guys, we shall meet on tomorrow's videos. I wanna say goodbye. Ciao ciao.